Alright, hey, how's everybody doing? Today I'm just switching out the shift knob here. Check it out, it's got the original shift knob, old school 5-speed. See all that grime and everything. I was gonna try to clean it, but I'm just gonna switch it out. So stick around, guys. Check it out. Just wanted to show the Miata some love. It's dark outside right now. I just got off of work. It's getting dark really early. But like I said, I just wanted to take this off, switch it out, and just switch it out. So what you're going to want to do is twist it to the left. Just keep turning it. You'll see it. Yours might be a little bit harder. It's very simple. Just, there you go. See, comes right off. There you go. These are like 10.25 or something like that. I forget the exact. So what I'm gonna do is put on this guy. The old dildo shift knob. So that just goes on. Check it out. Very simple, very easy to do. Alright guys, so that's probably going to be it for this quick little video. I just wanted to put the shift knob on and pay homage to the old Haggard Garage video where Onion was switching out the JDM shift knob. So yeah guys, just wanted to take it old school. But yeah guys, check it out. The dildo shift knob, bubble shift knob bullshit is installed. So check it out. Everything is stock in here except for that. But yeah guys, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment, subscribe, share the video if you like it, share any of the videos if you like them. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.